Welcome sports fans, welcome back to another video. I'm your host Jomar.
I am Rush.
And this is This or That Sports TV, the place you guys come to get the best, most interesting and most riveting sports discussions on the internet.
Yes people. So today we'll be talking about Kyrie Irving and his return to the NBA. So what going on?
Alright, so essentially Kyrie has been having, an up and down time. Because of certain circumstances, as you guys would have known, he never, take the joke. You see me?
Yeah.
So he wasn't eligible to play in many buildings. And New York was one such building where he wasn't eligible to play nor training. And initially there were talks of him playing part-time. And then the the Brooklyn ownership decided that they weren't going to take on any part-time players.
Yeah.
However, due to health and safety protocols, they had to go back on their word, and as such, they re-employed him as a part-time player. And he made his debut tonight.
Yeah.
Coming in, scoring 22 points, getting 4 assists, and just looking like
he looks like Kyrie Irving.
Yeah, he didn't lose a step.
Yeah.
And to be honest, I expected nothing less. He's a professional player after all, so I assumed that he would have still stayed in his gym, because I'm sure Kyrie Irving has his own full court gym at his $20 million house somewhere. So he would have still stayed in the gym, stayed practicing, stayed lifting, stayed running, stayed in shape, and he looked very slim today. Looked very athletic, the handle is still very tight, that 15-foot jump shot.
Yeah man, some things you don't lose, but the thing is, we'd want to think that he's still a professional and he will be in shape. But you think about some players like, think about James Harden last year at the start of the season when he wasn't playing any basketball, came back fat as hell. Zion Williams. So it's good to see that Kyrie Irving takes his basketball serious and looks in pretty good shape.
Yeah, and not only in pretty good shape, but he just looked very good. He looked like he didn't miss a step, and very impressed with his performance today, and curious to see how this Brooklyn Nets team continues, because Kyrie will not be playing in any home games.
Yeah.
Kyrie will not be training with the team in New York. Mm-hmm. He will only join the team on the road and play games with them on the road. And also
weird guy.
It is, and it's also weird him playing in the team, being
not training,
not having his full complement of stuff that he's supposed to get him, not get him juke them. So how would that affect the dynamic of the team?
I don't understand the logistics of it. I don't understand what I don't understand what is going on. But
alright, essentially
some
states have laws.
No, I know the law. Yeah. I know exactly what is going on, but I'm just saying in terms of the dynamic of the team.
Because every other player would have had gotten it. Yeah. Would have had gotten. You get me? I say.
So why can't he play out of state? Why can't he be with the team out of state but not in state?
As I said, it's not
as the team.
It's not the team.
Yeah,
the team doesn't have an issue with
it. State law.
In New York, if you don't have your juke, if you don't have your injection, you cannot train or play sports indoors. Mm-hmm. You can't, or any type of entertainment, right? Other states don't have that.
Yeah.
Los Angeles has something to a similar extent where you can't train, but you can play matches.
Yeah.
But in New York, you can't play games or you can't train. So he's not allowed to train or play with his team in New York. However, he can do so outside of the state. So it's interesting to keep up with this situation, and I will be watching. But the three of them did look good today, and if they have a full complement, Brooklyn will be a contender.
Yeah, that's it.
Alright.
You did my maths away out, no man.
Alright, so guys, real quick before we go, this is a short video, just a slight news update, just talking about something that we found interesting, guys. Comment, what do you think about this whole Kyrie situation? Do you think Brooklyn should employ him as a part-time player? Is that even a thing in sports, a part-time player? Never. So unprecedented times, we see unprecedented occasions, unprecedented events. Anyways, guys, before I go, guys, I tell you this in almost every single video, guys. If each one of you guys or subscribers can share this video, can like this video, can subscribe, and I will repeat, share this video to at least 5 people, guys. We only want 5. We just bust the 500, you see me? So if each one of you can share this video to 5 people, guys, do you know how many subscribers that would get us?
Enough.
By the end of the day? So just do it now, guys. Anyways, This is That Sports TV.
We're out.